Yo, what is up, my people? Hope everybody is doing good today. Your boy JV back at it again. All right, so I'm going to try to make this video short, sweet, and to the point. All right, I'm going to start off with XRP, and then we'll go down to the right. So if y'all are on YouTube, y'all might have seen a lot of clickbait like this. Coinbase relisted on XRP. Coinbase relist XRP. I said that back. But the FUD is going around that it has gotten relisted, but it has not yet. But I'm gonna let you hear what the digital asset investor had to well, he put this clip here, and just hear what he has to say. It'll explain what happened.
Yesterday evening, I was sitting watching TV, minding my own business, when all of a sudden, I started getting texts that XRP was going nuts. And here's why it did it. XRP went nuts last night because on Coinbase Pro, all of a sudden, out of nowhere, some trading pairs for XRP has showed up that were not there. That's my understanding. So they put this out today. As previously announced, Coinbase has suspended trading in XRP. Due to a technical issue, XRP was temporarily viewable on the Coinbase Pro mobile app for some customers, but was not tradable.
All right, so Coinbase Pro put that announcement out that yeah, XRP was visible to traders, but they were not able to trade it. But it was listed again and it was visible, so it just tripped a lot of people out, like, whoa, is XRP back on Coinbase Pro or what is going on here? But check this out.
Okay, and then there's this. Stefan Huber put this tweet out. He's retweeting what they said, and he's saying, so Coinbase accidentally relisted XRP. This is some guy on Twitter, he says, it's called SDLC. It's a series of steps you go through to develop and release software. Sometimes we engineers make mistakes and our changes impact production. In this case, they intended to stage the pending relisting and forgot to set the feature flag to disable. Now, I'm no engineer, folks, but I found that tweet very interesting. Okay, then Mr. B.
All right, so that's major. So apparently this software engineer guy tweeted that he's like, oh, I know what's going on. They were trying to put it on pending for it to be relisted, and they accidentally set the feature off, the pending feature off, I guess. And it showed up in people's Coinbase Pro. So you could actually see it. And that's major to what's coming. As soon as the SEC stops with their BS, XRP is going to get relisted back on Coinbase, back on every single exchange that you have not been able to trade it in. And there's a lot of big hedge funds out there that are ready to buy as much XRP as they can as soon as it gets relisted. They already have it in their portfolios that they have some money set aside for XRP. So that is major news on XRP. We're gonna go and I guess we could see XRP real quick so we can see how the charts are looking like. And then we'll move on to XYO. But okay, so XRP guys, come on. The last video, we were outside of this zone. We're on our way up, and then we just completely crashed and came all the way back down below $1. We hit 95 cents, 96 cents. So major. Now we're holding at $1. Guys, if you don't own XRP and you've wanted to buy some, in my point of view, this is as good as it gets. This is as good as it gets, especially at the point that we're at right now on XRP. I believe that we are about to take off. And if you can get it at $1 right now, that is a steal, man. If you didn't have a chance to cop some at 50 to 60 cents when it fell down here, then $1 is the best other price that you are gonna get before we go and rally to a higher high and break the $3.30 mark all the way to $4, all the way to $5, and ultimately to $10 easily is what's coming for XRP. And that's a 10x from $1, guys. So just to let you know what I see on that bit, you know, just don't invest money that you're not willing to see drawdown on, or you know, possibly to even lose. So don't invest money you're not willing to lose. Don't invest money you're not willing to see some drawdown on. So if you invested 1,000 here and now your 1,000 is, let's say, 700 or whatever, you know, you can't trip on it. You have to be knowledgeable of what the long-term scenario is. So just hold on, and there will be a beautiful payout, just like I'm about to show you on XYO. All right, so on XYO, beautiful moves what we are seeing right now. I'm gonna put it back into the 4-hour time frame. That way I can zoom in over here. So this was XYO, where we had been initially looking at the price action. We're gonna see that this is on the 14th of April of this year. So we're gonna go and just look up, well, just put up another coin market cap. All right, so we're gonna look up UBX, I'm sorry, XYO on the coin market cap, and then we'll go from there so we can see what the 14th of April was showing as far as USDT goes, because on the other one that we're seeing right now shows it on XYO versus Bitcoin, so we cannot see the exact price. So right now you see that XYO is up 23%. That is, I believe, on the day. So that is massive. And let me just go to the last and put the year on. So this year, look at that beautiful chart. On April 14th, this was around this right here. So on April 14th, we were at 0.006. Okay, so at around half of a penny. 0.005, 0.006, 0.004. So all of that, April, May, we were around those price actions where you're hitting double zeros, half of a penny, and we managed to break a penny on the 6th of what is that, August. On the 6th of August, we were able to break a penny approximately a month ago, and we did rebound after we hit that penny, and we went back to 0.008. So, you know, we were there for a while again. Look at that beautiful buildup on that bullish flag, breakout. And once we broke out of that penny, it is just gone with the wind as high as, I'm not sure why it says, I don't know why it says 0.046 there. We went as high as 6 cents on this today. I'm not sure why it's not showing it here. Let me put it on the daily. Maybe it'll show it on the daily. Oh, so there you can see it, guys. 0.059. So 6 cents was what we reached today. And that is because as well, it got listed on Coinbase. Let's see if we can see it down here on where to buy. Boom, right there, guys. Bam. So the volume, as you can tell, 51% of the volume that is being accumulated right now of XYO is on Coinbase. Beautiful, beautiful. So 2% volume, 139,000. I'm sorry, 139 million, guys. 139 million. Man, it is about to get crazy for XYO. If you don't know what it is, look it up. They have partnerships with FedEx as well as other very big companies that are gonna use it to track live data. But yeah, very interesting, very excited about this project and what it is about to bring to the table. So if we go back to a year, you can see that we have never been this high. On here, it shows this, right? But if you go to the trading view, is not going to show anything really either because it's showing the brand new XYO versus Tether, and it's not showing anything on there. You need to go to XYO versus Bitcoin to really be able to see what is about to come next. So as y'all can tell, we were as high as this on XYO versus Bitcoin. I believe this is gonna mess around here and you know, just mess around, hover for a little bit while it's settling in its Coinbase position. And just like ADA and all of the other Coinbase coins, we are about to see a massive rally on this easily from where it's at now, 008 to 115. That's double there. And then we should see another double from there to 30. So you're looking at a 4x right now, just to like the last higher high approximately from that chart. So if we went as high as 5 cents of 4x, you'll be looking at 20 cents on XYO easily in the next couple of months. I think this is going to be very exciting to see. So if you got some XYO at the price that it's at now, let's do some math and oh, always forget it's on top, and see how much we would be making in this investment if you were to go in at around this price action. Calculator. There we go. Okay, so we'll clear that. We have $1,000 and we divide that into 0.042. That's I believe the price that it is at right now. 0.0. We're just gonna range it at 0.4 cents. All right, I'm gonna range it at 4 cents. You get 25,000 coins, 25,000 shares, and then you go and multiply that times 20 cents. So that's 5,000. So that's a 5x on it from where it's at now. That is not bad at all, guys. Not bad at all. And then if it goes and actually hits 50 cents, which I believe is very reasonable, and that is one of my major targets, the 50-cent level. So we're gonna go and put 25,000 times 50 cents. How much is that? 12,500. So that's 12 and a half times on your money if you invest at around this price action where it's at now, where it just got listed on Coinbase. And yeah, so if it hits 50 cents, that'll be a 12.5x on your money. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Let me just show you what is the advantage of going in early on these projects. So I'll show you that math real quick and we'll go back to price. Okay. So on April, as I showed you, it was at 005, 006. We're just gonna range it as 005, okay? So we're gonna range it between the 004 and 006. Let's say 005 and go from there. Okay, so calculator, go $1,000 divided into 0.005, and you are looking at 200,000 shares. Now, 200,000 shares divided into, no, I'm sorry, multiplied by 6 cents that it hit right now, your 1,000 would be 12,000 at this point. All right. So let's go, and that's a 12x on your money already. So let's go and clear that again. So your $1,000 would have been 200,000 shares, and we multiply that by 50 cents, $100,000, guys. That's $100,000 that your $1,000 will be at once it hits 50 cents. That is major, major, guys. So that's 100 times on your money already once it hits 50 cents. And that's from April. If you really want to get, you really want to see this get interesting, you can go to the beginning of the year in January, and it was at 0.0002. All right, so that's triple zeros, guys. Let's do that math real quick. And this is where it gets exciting. Like when you really go and do the math on what is going on right now, right in front of our faces. How can you not get involved? So $1,000 divided into 0.0002 equals 5 million shares, guys. So 5 million shares times 0.06 would it hit today, you would have already been at $300,000 with your $1,000 investment. All right, so your $1,000 investment would already be $300,000. That is insane when you really think about that. Man, if that hits 50 cents, that'll be $250,000. $250,000. I'm sorry, 2.5 million. Let's do the math just to, so 5 million shares times 50 cents, $2.5 million. All right, so out of there, guys, out of there. Insane what we are seeing in the crypto markets right now. Yeah, we'll see where it tops out, but I still think we have this October, November, and December, the last 3 months of the year, last quarter. I believe it's going to be legendary. And we just got to see. We just got to see what is popping there. So I'm excited. XYO booming. Let's go to UBX. Okay, so UBX is about to do what XYO has already done, in my point of view. All right, so UBX right now is at 000. It had gone to another digit 001, and then it rebounded a 50% retrace. Okay, so we hit pretty much 001 And then it rebounded from there. We hit it again almost 3 times, and then we have crashed. But something I want to show you about UBX, why I believe that this is about to do exactly what this XYO coin has done. Check this out. Check this out. All right, so UBX, man, it had already gone as high as 0.007. That's super close to hitting a penny already from the last high that it had. So right now, it went and broke through the first level right here, right? Boom, kissed it, broke through, found support there now, went up and kissed that zone, came back to retest that support. And what is it doing right now? Look at this. Beautiful 4-hour divergent bottom. Just getting ready to skyrocket. So that's what I see on UBX. I think that this might be the last time on this cycle minimum that it's at this price. And even when the cycle retraces, I don't think that it's gonna come back to that price that we're at right now. UBX network, what is it? Okay, so it's a blockchain hybrid designed to integrate blockchains of various types of consensus into a single P2P network. So it is gonna make a environment where multiple blockchains can integrate with each other. And it's a consensus protocol. So anything to do with consensus is I believe gonna be major. And yeah, so I am keeping my eye on this. It's on 21,000 watch list as well. So not too bad, not too bad at all. The last 24-hour volume, 1.5 million, not too bad at all. So we're gonna see how UBX plays out, but this is what I am drawing on this chart right now. Uh-oh, that was ugly. Let me make that a little better. All right, so we'll break out, might finesse something right here, but ultimately we're going up and we're breaking out of this area. Once we are able to break out of that 0008, 0008, we are gonna go back to that 001 and ultimately breaking that 001, we're on our way to a full penny. So keeping my eye on the price and just waiting patiently for it to play out just as UBX, I'm sorry, just as XYO has been paying out. So with that being said, we're gonna see what is coming next on this coin. But I see big things happening, huge things. So we'll see how it plays out and how long it takes for it to play out. But the patient, how was that saying? The impatient money goes into the hands of the patients, and that is the markets. So just huddle gang, don't get finessed by the markets. All right, taking profits is always good, but know where this is headed. I'm not taking profits till I see a very nice top and You know, I might miss out on a couple pips, couple of gains, but man, you gotta move that to a stable coin before we have something crazy happen and it just tanks in one solid move. So, yep, I'm looking forward to seeing what next couple of days are gonna bring on UBX. And um, with that being said, I think that's pretty much it for this video. So XRP is getting relisted on Coinbase. They had a fluke and they kind of relisted it early, but no one could trade it. That everybody knows now it is coming back. XYO got listed on Coinbase, and we freaking went from a penny, a little bit less than a penny, all the way up to 6 pennies on the very first day, pretty much that it got listed. Very first couple of days, let's say, that it got listed. So I can only imagine what's coming next for XYO. I can only imagine what's coming next for UBX. Do not miss out on XRP. And yeah, y'all have a blessed one. Uh, I'm not a financial advisor, so I mean, do your own research. You already know the rest.